Still searching for stuff for my Yo-yology collection. I found a little series of 8 of these, which are a yo-yo plus a toy. I mean, this looks like an ordinary yo-yo, which it is. It works as a yo-yo, but on the back of it, the manufacturer, a German company, I think Pusterfix probably, or some company like that, made a little chain thing where you shake it horizontally and the face changes, and it's a very amusing little toy for kids. But to add it as an extra feature to a yo-yo is very nice. I always like to test to see if they do actually. Yes, they do. They do just about yo-yo, given that I'm not a very good yo-yos. And the same company made another one here, again completely blank this side. But this side, it's one of those dexterity toys where you have to hold it horizontally and guide the ball bearings into the middle of the three little hoops with little portholes in them. So a nice one for kids to play with after they've had a go at yo-yoing. I picked up on this idea myself and had this commissioned, actually. I got Pippa Greenwood to make this for me about 30 years ago. It's a heavy-duty yo-yo, which just about goes up and down. But what I wanted her to do was to make a nice hole in the top and the bottom. And then the idea is to hold it here and with a string of a certain length, do that game where you flip it up like that and you flip. And eventually, if you're good at it, you catch it in the thing like that. It's something I keep seeing at the toy fairs. It's a very old traditional toy. And I can't do it tonight. It's normally on the handle, but it means it's a double action toy. It's a yo-yo, one of those. They've got fancy names for them, which escape me, but they're certainly well known and they're having quite a comeback in the toy industry at the moment. So a double purpose game there. This one is not a second game, it's just a second use for it. It's a yo-yo. Let me just check it works. I like just to, oh yes, that's perfectly good. The point about this one is you take it apart like that. And this is actually one of those sort of semi-soft rubber things, which is used for an eraser. It's a fancy eraser, so it could be used as an eraser, preferably flatten both sides equally, so it still maintains its stability. But the kids can play with it as a yo-yo. It's a rubber which you can play with. Nice one, that. And the last 3 are this one here, which is from a famous series, which you probably recognize. This is where it's getting quite advanced because you actually open the thing up and there's this little toy creature inside from the Toy Story, actually inside the back of the thing. And in the back of the thing, my goodness, it's even more elaborate. Look at all that stuff there inside. So you can use the yo-yo, having played with it, as a little play set for kids to play with. So that's getting quite advanced. It wouldn't yo-yo very well. I better just check it out. I like to. Oh no, that's all right. That's quite good actually. I like it when they take the trouble to make sure it works. And then the American toy market seems to be littered with add-on candies. They're doing that everywhere, I think it is. So this one's got little sweets inside. So it's not something you play with, it's something you eat. Preferably eating both sides evenly, otherwise you'll get unbalanced. So little tiny candy in a yo-yo. It works better when it's new because the candy adds a bit more weight. And when you're down to the last one, it won't yo so well. Well, you put some more candy in it, don't you? The last 2 are this one here, which is a mystery because it's got a space inside, both sides, where you can put, well, I can't put much more in there than just a little finger ring, I suppose. The idea is you've got one on each side, that one does as well, and at the same time it's a yo-yo. Yeah, that works quite well, actually. So add-on bits is a nice genre. The very last one is one wonderful one from the Kurt Nate's company. It came out to me about 20 years ago. And it's a lovely depiction of Benham's effect. This is where you have well, let me show you the yo-yo. When you have this curious sort of patterning, and normally I've got many spinning tops which show this effect. When it spins fast, you get colours appear. Well, you can't really get this on camera. When I did it once, I did definitely get a blue tone coming through, which is very surprising, but it's best done really on the spinning top. But well done, Kurt Nate, for at least trying to make a Benham's optical illusion effect on a yo-yo, just to check it works. Well, yeah, it's quite slow, but it does. And I do sort of get a blue on my side, but I don't think you'll pick up on the camera. So yo-yos with an extra feature to them is something that I do like. I've always loved it. Doubling or tripling play value if you can add another feature. And this particular one is, well, a bit spectacular. But well done, Nate, for that. Let's see what else comes about. Can you invent something, a yo-yo, and an idea to go with it?